Tomorrow I've got to call one of my neighbors that has offered some help. I have to give him a call tomorrow and ask him to get some pellets for my wood burner. I'm just not looking forward to asking for help. It's not something I like to do. Not something I'm used to doing. I'm just used to doing things myself because then you don't give people mixed signals. You don't owe people favors. Sometimes you just have to ask for help when you need it because that's like it's the smart thing to do, and it's just a smart thing to do right now. At least until I get the car situation straight. Gotta have heat for the house, so tomorrow I'm gonna put on my big girl britches and do what I gotta do. That's that. I am extremely, extremely tired today. I am feeling kind of numb, not so much depressed. I am sad for a friend of mine that's going through a hard time. And sometimes having that on top of what I'm going through can be overwhelming sometimes. Yeah, I'm having a hard enough time just carrying my own grief without adding to it. So I've been trying to keep, a positive attitude and trying not to focus so much on sad things or negative things. I've been watching a lot of YouTube, trying to educate myself on making better videos, improving my numbers, like how many views I'm getting and what my watch time is like, and just trying to learn the ins and outs of YouTube. I tell you, it is kind of complicated. People make it seem like it's real easy, but it's not super easy. It's especially when you're a shy person and an introvert. Even just kind of looking into the camera is a little difficult. That's why a lot of times I'm looking away. I'm just, it's more comfortable. I'm hoping that I'll get to a point where I can just sit in front of the camera and talk and be, charismatic and, somebody that people might enjoy watching. But, it is what it is. And right now, I just want to continue being consistent with my videos. And I feel like over time they'll get better. And if I keep, studying and learning and trying to implement the things that I'm learning, it'll help. I keep hearing over and over again that, the algorithm needs to find, the people that want to see your content. Well, it's not looking like many people want to see my content. And I can understand why. Grief is pretty heavy. And my situation is still really fresh. It's been 4 months now. Yeah, it's a difficult thing. But I'm trying to keep my mind focused on happier thoughts and positive things, and remembering to be grateful for the things that are good in my life. Also trying to find joy in little things, like it's time to really start getting the garden together, because after Sonny died, I just stopped. Everything just stopped. I didn't do my end of the season cleanup in the garden. I just let everything just die off and sit. So the garden there's a lot of work that needs to be done. So yeah, I got to take care of that. Then I need to plan out what seeds I'm going to plant, um, figure out when I need to start them, because some stuff needs to be started this month. Probably some of my peppers that take longer, the hot peppers, like some jalapenos and things like that, need to get started sooner. So yeah, I've got a bunch of things to do and things to focus on that should keep my mind busy, which is a good thing. Yeah, I think I'm just going to call that an end to the video. And I appreciate you all stopping by. And I still feel really awkward every time I ask, the whole subscribe and comment and like. It's just really awkward. That's awkward for me, and starting my videos is awkward. Introducing myself. So I haven't been doing that. I have not been introducing myself in the beginning of the video. So something I got to work on. So hopefully you guys will forgive me. Know that I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just a very shy, awkward person. That's who I am. Okay. Enough rambling. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.